Here we are again in 2022 talking about the OnePlus device announced and launched recently in China, of which it will be launched globally later, the OnePlus 10 series. Last year we saw the OnePlus 9 series and its collaboration with Hasselblad cameras, which for me was not a good idea due to some reasons. But hey, the OnePlus 10 has to be better, right? Let's take a look at what this device is made up of, as we always do on this channel. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to Frame Tech. And if you're new to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification so you can stay up to date when the next device is being launched. The OnePlus 10 Pro comes with a body dimension of 163 by 73.9 by 8.6mm, that is 6.42 by 2.91 by 0.34 inches, and is expected to weigh 205 grams. Comes in two different colors only for the 10 Pro, which includes the black and the green. Has provision for loud stereo speaker, but no provision for your 3.5mm headphone jack. It's built with a glass front Gorilla Glass Victor, a glass back Gorilla Glass 5, and an aluminum frame. We also have the fingerprint under display. The OnePlus 10 Pro comes with a fluid AMOLED display, a refresh rate of 120Hz, HDR10 Plus, a brightness of 800 nits, and a peak brightness of 1300 nits, which has a screen size of 6.7 inches, that is 90% screen to body ratio, and has a resolution of 1440 by 3216 pixels, that is 20 by 9 ratio, 525 ppi density, which comes with a body protection of Corning Gorilla Glass Victors. The 10 Pro comes with Android 12 off the box and the Color OS 12.1, and is powered by the latest chipset from Snapdragon, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 4nm, which has a CPU of octa-core 4x1.80 GHz Cortex A510 and has a GPU of Adreno 730. Has no provision for card slot, but comes in 3 different variants for your internal storage. We have the 8GB of RAM that comes with 128GB of internal storage, the 8GB of RAM that comes with 256GB of internal storage, a 12GB of RAM that also comes with a 256GB of internal storage, UFS 3.1. Talking about the camera, the OnePlus 10 Pro comes with triple camera setup at the rear this time around, which includes a 48MP aperture 1.8 23mm wide, an 8MP aperture 2.4 77mm for your telephoto that has up to 3.3x optical zoom, and a 50MP aperture 2.2 14mm 150-degree ultra-wide camera lens, which records video at 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 30, 60, 120 frames per second, 1080p at 30, 60, 240 frames per second. For the selfie, the 10 Pro comes with a single camera in front, which has a 32MP aperture 2.2 and records video at 1080p at 30 frames per second. The OnePlus 10 Pro comes with a battery capacity of 5000 mAh off the box, a fast charging of 80 watts, a fast wireless charging of 50 watts, and also gives room for reverse wireless charging. For the price, it is expected that this device should start at €650. Well, that's it for the OnePlus 10 Pro. Let me know in the comment box below what you think about this device. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new to the channel, kindly please hit that subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, please hit that like button and drop your thoughts below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.